fuck you for making him think that secondhand suicide is 10 times better than being here and being anywhere near you. Fuck you for making a man doubt himself to the fucking level that he would rather not be here, not exist anymore, and not be around his family, and has completely and utterly isolated himself. Fuck you for taking that bullet and going straight into his fucking heart with it, because you broke him. You broke his heart, you broke his soul, you broke his spirit, you broke every single fucking part of this man, and you've taken no fucking accountability for anything you've fucking done, and now you want to walk around and play the goddamn fucking victim? Fuck you for consistently getting into relationships and then claiming that they were all toxic and making false fucking allegations about every single man you fucking been with, because he's not the first one. There will be more after him, because you're nothing but a fucking narcissist. So fuck you for making men think suicide is better.